Hey guys, Branden Sanchez here, and in this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about the top 3 skills you would need to build a successful long-term online business. Okay, guys, so these are going to be the top 3 things that, in my experience, are the number one things that you guys need to do to build a long-term successful business. Okay, guys, and this goes for anybody, whether you're an affiliate, whether you're a coach, whether you're a consultant, whether you have a business or any physical business that you want to be able to always have customers for, or you want to continue to grow and build your brand, etc. Guys, okay, these are going to be the top 3 skills you need. Okay, and number one, hands down, which I think is probably the most important one, is you want to learn paid traffic. Okay, guys, as you guys know, I've been running paid traffic on Facebook, Google, native rev content as an affiliate for 6 years now. Okay, and paid traffic, honestly, if it wasn't for paid traffic, I don't know where I would be to this day. Okay, this is my foundation of my business. Learning paid traffic is a beautiful skill that if you guys are able to master it, the rewards are so great. Okay, guys, because with this skill, you can literally market your business. You can, generate leads for your business. You can sell affiliate products for your business. It doesn't matter whether you want to generate leads, whether you want to, generate sales. It doesn't matter. It all starts with paid traffic. Okay. I know Facebook, Google, YouTube, and native. Okay. And number one skill I would believe to have a long-term successful business is to learn paid traffic. Okay. That is a very crucial part of your success for your business. And I would strongly recommend you learn paid traffic. All right, guys, if you guys are not too familiar with how to run traffic, or you guys are scared, you guys don't want to lose money on paid traffic, don't worry, guys. I have, full courses coming out for, learning Facebook, learning Google, learning native, specifically rev content. So don't worry, guys. That's my job to help you guys learn, but you guys need to learn paid traffic. Okay, guys? So the second thing you want to learn is how to build a email list. Okay, this is huge. Okay, honestly, I know I said paid traffic was the main thing to learn, but honestly, all 3 of these are very, very important. Okay, so learning how to build a list is crucial, and the reason why you want to build a list is because the way the beginner of people do things online is they'll run traffic to an offer, which is great. You can make a lot of money off of that. But if you guys want to do something more long term, I would suggest you starting to build a list. Start building, people that know you. Start building people that like you and trust you. Because if you're able to get these people to know, like, and trust you, you're able to remarket them over and over again. Okay, so building a list is very important. So, for example, if you're running paid traffic to an offer, or your own consulting services, or your own coaching services, whatever, if you're just trying to get them to buy, and how about you send them to a page and they don't even buy, right? Well, you just wasted that money, hoping and praying that that person would buy, but then they don't buy. Well, guess what? That person is gone forever. But if you added one more step, which is basically gathering that customer's information, well, if they don't buy that day, it's probably because they just don't know, like, and trust you yet. They're just not ready for you yet. So if you're able to collect their email, right, and their name, you're able to remarket them further on down the road at a later time. And basically, when you have a list of people, that's your business. So having the skill of running traffic, but then also building a list and then selling, that right there, my friend, that's what's going to make you successful. Okay, and this goes for any type of business. Okay, so run traffic, build a list, right, and then sell your products and services later. Add value to people, guys. Like, running affiliate stuff, I love running affiliate stuff. That's a great business model. But if you want something more stable, more consistent, I strongly recommend you guys adding this step by building a list to be able to build that foundation of people that know, like, and trust you. That way you can sell your offers, whether they're your own offers or whether they're affiliate products. Okay, this is the future, guys. Of course, you can always send people to a sales page and make money. You can make a lot of money. I made a lot of money that way. That's a great starter strategy, right? But if you want to think more long term, because that's what this business is about, you want to learn how to build a list, guys. Okay, and on my channel, you guys follow me. This is what I teach, so you guys are at the right place. So don't worry, it's all based on my channel of how to do these things. Okay, guys. And I'm gonna have this course where I go further on down the road on how to do these things to a granular level, and I'll walk you step by step along the way. because in order for me to succeed, even more is for you guys to succeed. Okay, guys, like that's the whole point of this. Okay. So the third one, you want to learn how to build a following slash audience on social media. Okay, now going back to building a list, I guess this kind of ties in with building a list because it's kind of the same thing. But when you have, like, for example, like right now, I have this YouTube channel, right? You guys are seeing me face to face, right? It's kind of a little bit better than the email, because an email, it's just, it's just words, it's just copy, right? But when I'm actually talking to you, you guys are seeing my face, you guys are seeing, that I'm an expert in my field. You guys are seeing my content, you guys like my content. It builds more of a relationship, guys. So again, if you're selling affiliate products, if you're selling your own products, learning how to build a following, an audience on social media, that's gonna be kind of like the secret ingredient that no one really tells you about, right? If you guys are thinking long term, building a fan base, with it could be, a YouTube channel, it could be an Instagram page, it could be a Facebook page, right? Snapchat, all these other little things, and if you're the type of person that doesn't like going on camera, don't worry, just go ahead. The email list is just as effective. Okay, either way, the whole point is that you want to learn how to do these three things, right? You want to learn paid traffic. That's the first step. That's the first step. Once you learn how to run paid traffic and generate leads at a very low cost, and you're able to build your email list, you're able to build your followings on social media, that's what's gonna get you guys successful, guys. Okay, I'm telling you, that's what it is. There honestly, there is no secret, but this is what it is. If you can able to learn how to run paid traffic, build an email list, build a following on social media, that covers everything. Because at the end of the day, this is selling, this is marketing, right? People only buy from people they know, like, and trust. Whether you're selling affiliate offers, whether you're selling your own business products or your own coaching, consulting, it doesn't matter, guys. People only buy from people they know, like, and trust. Okay, again, you can still run traffic to a sales page. I get it. That makes money. It makes money, but I'm telling you guys, it's like this. It's up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. If you guys want something more stable, right? You guys want to be able to market to people further on down the road without even having to run ads later, because you can run ads one time, generate a list of like 1,000 people or even less, right? And still make money next year, the following year, the third year, as long as you guys are adding value to these people, right? You're not just trying to sell them. You're actually, sharing your expertise, right? You're providing them with value. You're bringing out content for them to know, like, and trust you. If you do that, you can market to these people forever and ever and ever, guys. Okay, I'm giving you guys the secrets, right? The secrets to learning how to make money, long term online. Like, this is what it is, and I think I love it. It's beautiful, guys. Like, you can work anywhere, you can be anywhere. You can have passion for something that you're really into, right? And then really trying to help people and educate them, and then once you're able to do that, guys, the money just follows, right? So I hope that makes sense, guys. Like, I understand. You know what? Learning how to run paid traffic is. I'm gonna be honest with you. There's a lot of variables. I'm not gonna tell you, hey, it's just, you press a button, you run this simple ad, and then boom. No, it doesn't work like that, because you have CTRs you have to worry about. You have ad copy you have to worry about. You have to worry about, generating leads at a low cost. Otherwise, you're just paying too much, and it's just burning a hole in your pocket, right? So these are skills, guys. But I'm telling you, if you guys can master just these top three skills, you guys will be successful. You guys will start making money. And a lot of it will be passive, because, again, when you start building your list, you can market to them over and over again. Okay, guys? So I hope all of that makes sense. I really hope I hit the nail on the head with this, because if you guys master these top three skills, you guys can sell anything to anybody, just as long as you really, really show value to them. And if you really learn how to do these things down to a T. Okay, guys. Once again, guys, I have, again, my affiliate marketing mastery course is basically details all of this stuff, right? How to run paid traffic, how to build a list, how to build the following, right? How to send the emails, etc. Right? So if you guys are interested in that, I will be having the link into the description below. You guys can go ahead and grab access to that course and learn how to do all of these things step by step. Okay, guys. Also, I'm just not only coming out with that course. I also have the Rev Content course, where you guys basically, like I said, you guys send traffic from rev content to an affiliate offer, and then you make a commission for each sale that you generate, right? And that's highly scalable. Again, they're two business models, okay? One is a little bit more short term. It can be long term, which is the rev content methodology, and the second is more of a long term, a little bit more of a slower strategy, but it's long term and it's more effective in the long term because you're able to market to these people further on down the road. Okay. And the only reason why I'm making these two courses is because I made a lot of money from both of them. Okay. Instead of just giving you guys one, I want to give you guys both so you guys can get, whatever fits your shoe a little bit better, right? I hope that's an analogy, right? But whatever you guys want to do, there's going to be both of them just for you so you guys can learn how to do these things step by step. Okay, guys, so be on the lookout for that. And that's basically it, guys. So if you guys are new to my channel, please like, comment your biggest struggle. I want to say this a lot because I need to know what else type of content you guys want to learn. So comment your biggest struggle, whatever your business is, whether you're an affiliate, whether you're a coach, consultant, whatever, or you're just a brand new beginner, whatever you guys want me to cover. Please comment in the description below whatever it is that you guys want, and I'll make a video dedicated just to that. All right, guys. Once again, guys, this is Branden Sanchez. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new, like it, and I will see you.